Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and your WhatsApp app is not working properly or not opening on your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your iPhone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network, and guys, after this you need to reconnect it again with your iPhone, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. Second method is you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp, and guys, after searching it you need to open your WhatsApp here. So guys, simply you need to click on WhatsApp Messenger, and guys, here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update your WhatsApp from here, and guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you need to open your settings, click on general and click on iPhone storage, and guys, here you need to find WhatsApp. So guys, simply you need to scroll it down, click on WhatsApp and click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings, and after doing this you need to go back and click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this you need to click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically on your iPhone. So guys, after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open and use your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.